Okay, in this video I'm going to walk you through the electrical conduction system of the heart. This is the video I was trying to show you embedded within our PowerPoint, and for some reason it wasn't working. So, do you recognize the parts? What's this thing called? Yep, the SA node or sinoatrial node. What's this one? The atrioventricular node or AV node. AV bundle, right AV bundle branch, left AV bundle branch, Purkinje fiber, Purkinje fiber, Purkinje fiber. Thanks to those leaky sodium channels, the SA node is capable of spontaneously reaching threshold and therefore firing, sending off a big burst of electricity. Because the cardiocytes are attached electrically, and mechanically for that matter, the electrical activity spreads from one heart cell to the next, right across into the left atrium. And we're going to see in just a moment that electrical excitation always precedes contraction. The electrical activity always comes before the physical contraction. And so if we can see that spark, that action potential spreading across, we know that the contraction is just to follow. The atrioventricular node is also stimulated by that electrical activity and it reaches threshold, but it waits. There's a delay before it sends the signal down through the branches. Why do you think there is a delay? Well, we want to give the atria time to contract and give the ventricles a chance to fill completely. Now we see the action potential spreading down the AV bundle, down the bundle branches. The electrical activity is not spreading through the myocardium like we had seen up above, and so the ventricles will not yet contract. The electrical activity has to spread down these bundle branches and ultimately to the Purkinje fibers before the myocardium is brought to threshold. Then we see the ventricles begin to contract. So here we see the whole thing. Now you might want to try to pause. I don't know how quick your pause finger is, but if we watch right here, we can see the electrical activity always precedes the physical contraction. Right? Excitation precedes contraction. We don't want all four chambers to contract at the same time, or I don't know what would happen. The heart might explode. Well, probably not, but blood certainly wouldn't move if it was being pushed in both directions. And so this is a very important concept and visualization for you to be able to do. See that the atria contract to fill the ventricles, then the ventricles contract, and then there's a long pause called the quiescent period. Now, if you come into our Blackboard page, you can watch that exactly the same video and listen to the narration. If you didn't like the way I described it, you can hear somebody else do it right here, the electrical conduction system video.